Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how to integrate social share options in our React application. So this is one of the most important or most common thing which we will be using in our React applications in the real time. So let us see the demo of this. So if you see here we will be having different share options. For the time constant I have used only Facebook and WhatsApp share options. So let us see how to do that. Once you click on that you will be able to see the pop-up box which consists of the Facebook, so post to Facebook. So you will be seeing like hashtag and something you can write here, and you can share the any link or your application link here. So I have shared my YouTube channel link here. So once I click on post to Facebook, it will be posted to Facebook directly. So in this way you can post your application URL to Facebook, and if you click on WhatsApp here you will be able to see the pop-up with the web.whatsapp.com. So it's loading and it is taking some time to load. Once it completely loaded you will be able to see the WhatsApp web here. Yeah, you can see the QR code. Once you scan this QR code you will be able to directly share in that. So in this way you can share your application URL to different platforms, different social media platforms. So let us see how to do that practically. So for this we are going to use this React share. This is the GitHub repository for that. So first we are going to install this. So they have not given some direct code here. You have to see how to use all these buttons and how to use all this in these icons and share count, etc. So I am going to show entire thing how to do that practically. So you have to watch entire video. So let us start that. So I have created an application called as React 2 here, and in this I am going to write entire code in this app.js, and based on your requirement you can create a functional component like React social share here, and I am going to write entire code here. So it is highly recommended to create a functional component so that you can reuse that anywhere if you want. So first we are going to install npm install. So npm install react share hyphen hyphen save. I'm going to copy this and paste here. So it will take some time to install successfully. Let us wait until it gets done. So it got successfully installed in our application. If you want to check that, you can go to package.json in your application, and there you can check whether it got installed or not. Once you click on this package.json, you will be having all the dependencies what you are using in this project, and in this you have to search for React share. When I am recording this video it is 4.3.1, so it may vary when you are integrating this in your application. So the next thing we are going to do is writing the code for this. First I am going to import this React Facebook share button. First we will see how to do that by using Facebook. Now we have to import Facebook icon also. If you don't import this you will not be able to see Facebook icon there. Now we have to come to this function, and now I'm going to use a container from segment UI. In this I am placing a segment. In this segment I am going to use this Facebook share button. In this Facebook share button you have to use Facebook icon. In Facebook icon you will be having different properties, so we are going to use logo fill color equal to, I'm going to put something called white. Next thing is round equal to true, so it will show your icon in the form of circle. If you don't put this round equal to true, it will show it as square box. So the next thing we have to give some properties to this Facebook share button. Now in this URL I am going to place my YouTube channel link, so you can place your application page link here. And the next property is quote. Hey, subscribe to my channel. So the next thing we are going to do is the hashtag. So these are optional parameters, you can give directly your URL, and you can verify that. This is hashtag. This is React. So once this is done, you are done with this Facebook sharing option, and the next thing we are going to do is WhatsApp sharing. For that we have to import WhatsApp share button, and the same thing applies here, WhatsApp icon. After this you have to use this WhatsApp button here. I am going to copy this and paste here. Inside this WhatsApp share button you have to use this WhatsApp icon. You can copy this and paste in this icon. So the next thing we are going to do is title, like giving properties to this WhatsApp share button. Next property is the main property, that is URL. So I am going to copy this URL and paste here. Once I save this, you will be able to replicate your social share options in your application. So let us see whether it's working or not. Now let us head back to our browser to check whether it's working or not. So once you refresh this, you will be able to see the two icons, and once you click on this Facebook, you will be able to see the pop-up with the facebook.com. So it's working. And next thing is WhatsApp, and you will be able to see web.whatsapp.com. So in this way you can integrate social sharing in your application. So if you like this video, you can share and subscribe to my channel. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.